Hi everybody, I'm Shirin Jahari, creator of Children of Type. And in the next few minutes, I will share with you how you can best use your Children of Type kit to have exciting, enriching and meaningful conversations with your child. Now your kit has two parts, a 6-minute animated film and a set of stimulating flashcards. To get started, first watch the animation by yourself, with your spouse or with the whole family. Remember to turn on the sound. Isn't it funny that the Roman script is the only writing system in the world with capital and small letters? Other scripts like Devanagari, Bengali, Tamil, they don't have this. The film makes it easier for kids to learn the alphabet by humanizing all the letters. You get to see a loving parent and child relationship between the big and the small letters, and there's a story being told using the shape of each letter. This makes language learning fun, exciting and memorable. Next come the flashcards. Usually when our children get back home from school, what do we ask them? Questions like, how was your day? What did you do today? What homework do you have? And so on. With the questions on the Children of Type flashcards, you can have richer and deeper conversations about your child's everyday life, about their mental and emotional health. Children of Type is based on SEL, socio-emotional learning. With each flashcard, you can tap into your child's hidden emotions and rich imagination in a playful manner while covering a variety of themes. For example, let's take the letter I. It starts with questions like, is Big Eye teasing or playing with Small Eye? Why do you think so? Here, we cover themes like social awareness, empathy, and interpersonal relationships. Then, there are questions like, who teases you? Do you get upset? Did someone at school get upset today? Here, we also cover self-awareness and bullying. We also ask, why does little eye have a dot? Where does the dot go when it grows up? Here, we also cover imagination and storytelling. And finally, we have some interaction and movement. Is there something at school that you want but cannot reach? How high can you jump? Show me. Sometimes there are more challenging conversations that we want to have with our child but don't know how. Some flashcards can help with that. For example, questions for letter Q cover the very serious concept of consent in a subtle and playful manner. Who tickles you? Do you like it? How can you say stop when you don't like something? And who do you like to tickle? How do you know when you have to stop? The last question ends on a lighter note. Who laughs the loudest in your class? Of course, with every letter, children learn the skills of communication and storytelling. Some quick tips and tricks. Read all of the instructions in your kit and browse through the flashcards before you start. Remember to ask questions like a friend and make your child feel like there's no right or wrong answer. Your child might want to watch the whole 6-minute film often, and that's great, but with the flashcards, try to explore just 1 or 2 letters in a single session. It is better to deep dive into one single letter at a time and cover all the questions on the corresponding flashcard. This will help you cover more themes. Regularly ask questions from the common questions cards too. If your child answers with, I don't know, nudge them with a suggestion or a thought like, could it be, or when I was a kid. Avoid revealing your own interpretation of a letter's gender. So instead of asking, what is Papa A doing? You can say, who's Big A, Mama or Papa? If your child doesn't know all the letters yet, avoid asking which letter's that and which letter's that too often while they're watching the film. They may feel over-tested and lose interest. Instead, you can say, look, what is D doing? Some cards are great with music, some with movement, some with drawing. You will see the corresponding icons on the cards. At the end of every session, use the themes card to check the themes that you have covered. This will help you focus on a variety of different themes the next time. There is also a best responses card that you can regularly fill. Not only to record wonderful memories, but also for you to assess the transformation that you have created in the social-emotional journey of your child. Your feedback and questions are welcome. We'd love to hear about your favorite letters and questions and interesting stories from your sessions. A lot of parents have inquired about purchasing more sets for gifting. You can reach out to us for all of this at childrenoftype@gmail.com.